The positive crankcase ventilation, PCV valve, is an important component in your vehicle's engine. Its primary role is to manage the pressure and gases that build up in the crankcase, which is the area beneath the engine where the oil is stored. The PCV valve helps to route these gases back into the combustion chamber where they are burned off rather than allowing them to escape into the atmosphere or cause other engine issues. However, what happened when the PCV valve goes bad? How would you know? In this video, we will be discussing the symptoms of a bad PCV valve. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button to get notified when next I upload informative videos like this. Symptoms of a bad PCV valve are 1. Check engine light. Modern vehicles have sensors that monitor various engine components, including the PCV valve. If the valve isn't working properly, the engine control unit, ECU, might trigger the check engine light to alert you to a potential issue. 2. Poor fuel economy. A faulty PCV valve can lead to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. This imbalance can result in inefficient combustion, which means your engine may use more fuel to maintain the same level of performance, leading to poor fuel economy. 3. Engine misfires. The PCV valve helps regulate the flow of gases from the crankcase into the intake manifold. If it fails, the mixture of air and fuel can become uneven, causing the engine to misfire. This is particularly noticeable at idle, where the engine may feel shaky or rough. 4. Rough idle. A malfunctioning PCV valve can disrupt the engine's idle speed, causing it to fluctuate or become irregular. This is because the valve helps to maintain a steady idle by controlling the flow of gases and preventing excess pressure in the crankcase. 5. Oil leaks. One of the roles of the PCV valve is to manage the pressure inside the crankcase. If the valve is stuck or clogged, it can lead to increased pressure, which might force oil out of seals and gaskets, resulting in leaks. 6. Sludge. Buildup. Proper ventilation is crucial for preventing the buildup of sludge inside the engine. A bad PCV valve can hinder this process, leading to the accumulation of sludge and varnish, which can affect engine performance and longevity. 7. Increased oil consumption. Without proper ventilation, the engine might consume more oil, as the PCV valve's failure can cause excessive oil vapor to enter the combustion chamber, leading to higher oil consumption. 8. Hissing noise. A damaged or improperly functioning PCV valve may cause a noticeable hissing noise. This sound is typically due to the vacuum created by a leaking or malfunctioning valve or hose. Therefore, if you notice any of these symptoms, it's important to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic to diagnose and address the issue immediately. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you.